Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Don't forget to hit like and share. And today, going to be doing a quick review on what I bought here was a fixed star sturdy quick release mount for a hunting LED flashlight scope fit for multiple scopes, size 1 inch to 30 millimeter. So basically it's just like a generic, I got it from Amazon. It was $8.99. And instead of buying a whole rig like I did with the Gammo, I bought as you can see there, it's like a quick release set up to put a flashlight. And so we can just put that really quick there, and we're just gonna see how quickly we can mount this up. And I'm gonna use this flashlight I had sitting around. And it's pretty hard plastic. I like it. And to be honest, this is probably, oh my god, this is pretty good. And it sets up pretty fast. I mean, wow, for $8.99, you can't ask for no more. And if it's the Avenger, I mean, it doesn't bother your scope or anything. I mean, it doesn't. There you have it, guys. I mean, for $8.99, it's about the quickest setup you can have for a flashlight setup on your scope. Share your thoughts, put your comments below, let me know what you think. Probably you can find it for cheaper. If you do, let me know. But that's probably the quickest setup you can buy on Amazon or somewhere else. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one.